Hey, it's Dr. Mo here. I'm here with another video from Chiropractic Care Center in Fairfax. We got Winston. I've been practicing that name. He's been seeing me for what, 6 months, you said? Finally decided to come in and see how we go. So let's go face down. Let's check it again and go from there. And he's on his basic feet all day. His hands are up, so his upper back and neck are the issues, right? Are the areas that hurt for him.
Yes, sir.
So we're gonna move all these joints for you. All right, Winston. Go ahead and move down just a little bit towards your feet for me.
Oh.
Keep coming a little more. Perfect. All right, relax as much as you can. Deep breath for me, bud. All the way out. Okay. Beautiful. There it is. Woo! Nice. Nice. Let's go face up for me. So yeah, it looks worse when you sit there,
Yeah.
right? All right, bud. All right, relax for me. Oh, nice. You all right?
Yeah.
How'd that feel? I got one more. Here we go. Nice. Man, you were tight.
Yeah.
Ooh, I'm gonna work on this muscle a little bit. Man, you're gonna sleep like a baby tonight. I promise. Nice. One more side. And this was your first adjustment too, correct?
Yes. Very first.
For your first adjustment, how did that feel? Was that okay? It wasn't as bad as it looks. It wasn't scary, was it?
No.
It didn't hurt, did it?
I'm still alive.
So if you're watching, don't wait so long. Come on in. Let's see if we can help you. Take care.